Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get face tracking in Roblox. Firstly, you have to go to the Roblox website, roblox.com. After that, you have to log into your account, then click on the gear button and go to settings. After going to settings, go to the privacy section. In the privacy section, if you have your camera enabled, you will find an option called camera input. So just toggle it on. After toggling it on, it will ask your consent to enable the camera. Just give the consent. Now you have to go to the Roblox client. In the search panel, type camera face hangout. By going into the server description, you will see that this server uses your microphone as well as camera as communications method. So after going into the server, you can use your facial tracking. In order to use your facial tracking, you have to go to the settings menu. After you scroll down a bit, there will be an option called video camera. Just set it to your system default and you can use face tracking. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.